everybody. Nancy here from Fancy Nancy Diamond Painting. Bibi and Charlie. Bibi is playing with her toy on the ground. This one's a little different. I can tell by the label that it's from one store on AliExpress, and there are 3 diamond paintings inside. So, let's see what we find. They use that bubble wrap stuff. So I had an interesting thing happen. I had a kit the other day that did not have any tools. That's Baby's howl. That means play with me. Come on, bring me your toy. So there's no tools. So I contacted Wish, and I said that, you know, something was missing. What was it? I said, oh, it's the tool kit. And honestly, I don't really need the tools, but I feel like they should be held accountable for what they send to people. So the guy wrote back to me and he said, listen, we need a picture of what you got, and that's standard procedure for Wish. They want a picture of what came to you. So I took a couple screenshots from my from my unboxing video. I sent them a couple images, and normally, you know, they'll say, oh, we contacted the seller and they're going to send them to you, which that's all I wanted. That's all I needed were my tools being sent to me. And there's all the drills for three diamond paintings. I got another response back saying that, you know, thank you for the picture, but we need more information. Can you send me the packing list with the tracking number on it? And I was very unhappy by that, because if you've ever gotten China mail, you know that this is your tracking number, and it's on the outer wrapping, which once I open everything up, I throw it away. So now I know, I guess I should just take a picture. But I didn't have it. I didn't have it anymore. So the guy's like, well, we really can't help you. So instead of just throwing a hissy fit and going on Facebook and writing about it, I took it to the next level at Wish, and I said, listen, I am really unhappy. What kind of customer service is this? You know, I didn't ask. The guy's talking about a refund. I did not ask for a refund. I don't want a refund. I just want the missing tools. So a few hours later, I got a response, and they said, yeah, we contacted the seller and they're sending you your tools. Have a great day. I was like, well, that's all I wanted. So sometimes you got to keep going. Okay, this is a beautiful purple and bluish orchid. It's a 30 by 40. Let's peel it up and take a look at it. It is a full drill round. All one piece of paper. Oh, isn't that pretty? That's gonna be beautiful. And the symbols are all really clear. And the colors, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, about 32 colors it looks like. You know, and don't don't buy this and come back and tell me, oh, there's only 31 colors. I know. I just eyeball it. I just guesstimate. I'm close. I'm in the ballpark. Don't hate me because I guess at things. Because really, what does it matter if there's 31 or 32 colors? So that's the first one. 30 by 40. Here is the image, and I'll put it up for you so you can see it. And the colors are beautiful. I see a lot of purple. There's a lot of dark colors in the background and the leaves and stuff. But I see some whites and pinks and lavenders. That's exciting. I like that one. Let's see the next one. This is also a 30 by 40. No, it's 40 by 30. 30 by 40 is like portrait. 40 by 30 is landscape. Phoebe is just prowling around on the floor, and I don't know what she's eating, but she's making all sorts of smacking noises. Okay, this is also a floral. You can see the thumbnail there, and I will put the image up. Here's the canvas. It's also a lily, not a lily. What did I say? An iris? It's an iris. With mostly blues, with like a yellow heart to the flower. Very pretty. Iris. Sorry, I think the right word, I can see it in my head, and then the wrong word comes out of my mouth. There we go. So that's also a 40 by 30. That over there. Oh yeah, look at that. And very dark again. A lot of dark blues and purples. I will do the inventories. I'm not going to bore you guys with all the doing the inventories on the video, but I always do them, and I will put it up in the comments whether or not it came out okay. All right, this one is a 60 by 40. And honestly, I couldn't quite tell what the image was when I got it. But there were so many colors, and they were so vivid and beautiful. Here it is. You can see all the different colors in there. And it looks like flowers with like very fine little, I don't know what those are called, flower parts sticking up into the sky. Very pretty. I'll put that image up too. These all came from the same store, and I was impressed with this store because these it was full of florals that I'd never seen before. So, looks like the canvas got a little smushed over here. I'm gonna have to really press that out. put it under a book or something. Alright, let's try that again so we can see it. I want to see it. This is, alright, the other two are rounds. This is a full drill square. Look at those colors. Isn't that beautiful? I'm sorry, I'm not showing it very well. But you can see the image, and it'll be the thumbnail, in the thumbnail for the video. I guess I'll make a little collage of these ones. Very nice. They sent all three together to save shipping. You know, the last time I did that with Evermoment, I bought two, and they sent them separately. And then they sent me an email and told me, you know, don't worry if they come separate from each other. We sent them both, but we didn't put them together because we were afraid they'd be stopped in customs. So, you know, I appreciate them thinking about me that way. And, you know, it was free shipping anyway, so I didn't care if it came in 1 or 2 packages. They came like a week apart, though. That was funny. Okay. Well, if you like my videos, hit like, subscribe, and hit the little bell. You'll be notified when my new videos come out. I'm trying to do one every day. Thank you so much for tuning in. I really appreciate it. I'm just so thankful of everyone who's supporting me, following me. If you're following me, I think you're supporting me, so thank you. And you have a great day. Take care. Bye-bye. Oh yeah, and happy diamond painting. Bye-bye. Charlie, where's your toy? Where's your toy, Charlie? He wants to get behind my leg. Where's your toy, Charlie?